Hey, Frugal Peeps, Joel and Christy here, and what are we doing today?
Today we're making our grocery list.
All right.
Now, if you got our Wednesday video, you know that our grocery list is going to be a little weird this month. If you didn't catch the video, here's a short synopsis. I'm going to be going to Tennessee for 6 weeks to help babysit our little Minnie while her mom is doing like a little temporary job. She's in entertainment, so for a few weeks she's going to be playing the piano.
Yeah.
At Dollywood, and she needs a babysitter. So I'm just gonna go over there and I'm gonna get to some little mini time with, and Joel's not going with me. So when we get to that part of the month that when I leave, which is like middle of the month, I won't be here to cook. So I thought he should be a part of putting the meal plan together if he's going to be doing his own cooking. So we're going to be doing our grocery list with that in mind. And we are pretty close to being out of some things, so it may still be a decent grocery list. I'm not sure, but again, I won't be here to cook, so he's already said he's keeping it simple. Yep. So we're going to be doing that, and hopefully y'all find this interesting, because I'll do like the first half, and then we'll be like, okay, now what do you want me to write down, Joel? And after I get the whole meal plan done, I'll probably just do a cut, and at the end we'll give you what the grocery list is. All right, so we're going to show you our chart here that we use to make our grocery list. All right, so this is the if you recognize it from prior videos, this is our ingredient list or our grocery list page. And before I can get to the grocery list page, I have to actually put a meal plan together. And this is the page that I use for putting meal plans together. Now, if you see, I already got some things here. These were meals that we didn't actually get to in the month of March. This is not actually the end of March, it's the 27th. So we still have a few days to eat these, but we won't get through them all the way. So I'm going to go ahead and figure out that and put it together. All right, so that's where my meals run out. I don't have anything else listed, so I have to start thinking along those lines. And that does take us through
that takes us through April the 8th.
April the 8th.
April the 7th, actually.
Actually the 7th. Okay. And so it's time to start thinking about what we might do. Mm-hmm. I do already in my ingredient list. As you can see here, these are the ingredients that were for those meals that we hadn't gotten to yet. So I'll be keeping track of those as well, so that I don't forget that we need those as well. Let's see. Well, let's look at. We have a recipe list, and this is. It's interesting that this actually may answer some questions to a video request that we had from Dawn from Sensible Living. She wanted to know what some of our go-to meals are. So what Joel is going to probably put on that last 2 weeks of the month may be very well what you might consider our go-to meals, because he wants to keep it simple. These will be like easy, simple recipes that he likes that aren't time consuming, because he'll be at work and won't necessarily be here to make things that take time. So but anyway, we had this is a chicken recipe. Mm-hmm. So about something with beef. See something you like? He's not normally here when I do this.
I'm not. Mexican beef and rice skillet.
Okay, we hadn't had that in a while.
Nope.
And then we would want to either switch off to another chicken recipe or something pork or seafood or
Cajun shrimp roll packets.
Oh, we hadn't done that in a while. Nope. He wants to do some grilling.
Beef taco mac.
No, I don't know the beef recipe yet.
You just did shrimp.
Yeah, but we try not to do beef back like it twice in a week. So I would go back to
I was
chicken.
not aware of that plan.
So I would go back to chicken.
Spicy chicken lasagna pasta.
Oh, we ain't had that in a long time. This is a Cajun dish. Very good. How about we do some pulled pork, because we got some pulled pork out there.
Okay.
Okay. FFY stands for fend for yourself. So anytime that you see that, really the reason why we put that on there is because
I usually work Saturday nights.
right, and so I just don't cook anything special. I usually eat leftovers or something like that. So that's why it's fend for yourself, because I'm fending for myself.
Yeah.
All right, so want something with beef?
Okay. Beef taco mac.
Beef taco mac. Beef taco mac is like a homemade version of
Hamburger helper.
yeah, hamburger helper. Okay,
But it's better.
because it's homemade.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, so now we're going to get something with chicken in it.
Creamy Tuscan chicken.
Creamy Tuscan chicken.
Mhm.
He's naming all the things I haven't picked in quite a while.
Picking all the things I like.
Creamy Tuscan
You're
chicken.
going to notice nothing that has been picked for so far for week 2 and week 3 has any peppers in it.
Peppers are good.
Okay.
All right.
Next is Tuesday.
This is the 8th right there, right? This one, that's the 8th.
Yes.
Okay, so this would be the 15th.
Yep.
So this is not like this is about to the point where I'm leaving.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So we need to plan something for Tuesday, but then nothing for Wednesday or Thursday.
Right. I'll be back Thursday, but I'm not going to cook.
Yeah, he's going to fly over there with me so that he can visit for a day or two, but then he's going to come back home. So he won't need anything on Wednesday or Thursday.
Yep.
Okay. And with that in mind, let's look.
Just do something easy.
Something easy.
Like quesadillas or something.
Okay.
Or tacos or something. Let's do tacos. We haven't done tacos in a while.
Beef and beef.
Beef, chicken, beef. Okay. But if we do quesadillas, it's going to be beef, chicken, chicken.
Well, it's just that beef. Anyway, they say eat beef in moderation. Nobody ever says eat chicken in moderation. I mean, they might, but anyway. Okay, we can do that. I'll just eat something else.
No, it's fine.
What?
We'll choose something else.
Okay, how about chicken roll-ups?
Okay.
All right, so I'll and then this is the
Friday's the 18th.
Friday's the 18th,
Mhm.
and so this Friday would be the 25th.
Yeah.
And then you'd have 26, 27, 28.
Mm-hmm.
So you need a Tuesday.
Tuesday and Wednesday.
Okay. All right. And at this point, I'm no longer here. So you just tell me what you want.
Let's go tacos on Friday.
Tacos.
I can eat all the beef I want while she's gone. Sunday I could do a slow cooker meal because I'll be here to cook it.
Oh, okay. So you
Or
want to look at
something
the
like that.
recipe list, see if you see something?
I could do the Fiesta Lime 4 packets.
Yeah.
Let me do that.
Fiesta Lime chicken foil packets.
Uh-huh.
You might have leftovers of that, but I don't
Yeah,
think.
probably so. So we do leftovers on Monday.
Okay. All right. Now what you want?
Chicken and rice.
You're gonna do chicken back to back? You just said.
Oh, chicken back to back.
What you just did. You want some hamburgers?
Yeah, that's fine.
You'd probably have leftovers.
Mm-hmm.
And
Mm-hmm.
what?
Yeah, I can't put that there because you're going to chastise me. Go back to the
You
recipe
can.
list.
Do whatever you want to. You just said you could eat whatever you wanted to.
Potato beef casserole. We haven't done that in a while.
Okay. Potato beef casserole.
Yep.
In case y'all didn't hear that.
I'm sorry.
He talking
Potato
low.
beef casserole.
He talking low. Okay.
Could be some leftovers from that because that's Saturday. I'll be working Saturday night.
That'll be a FFY anyway. Yeah. Okay. There's still like pulled pork if you want to do that, but then there's also like you know.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's fine.
Pulled pork.
Uh-huh.
Do you think you'll have leftovers of that, or
maybe?
Okay.
Just put it in for leftovers, and we'll see.
Okay. And then you got chicken quesadillas. You got
let's do that.
Chicken quesadillas.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. All right. So, do you want to put anything for that Wednesday too?
Oh, cheeseburger sliders.
Cheeseburger sliders. Okay. Yeah, he likes those.
Yep.
Look at that. We have our grocery list.
Woohoo.
All right. So stay tuned. When I'm done making a grocery list out of this meal plan, I'll come back and show you the basic grocery list that will come from it. And y'all wish Joel well.
Yeah.
Okay, so I have finished with the grocery list, and so I'm going to put that on the screen now and leave it up there for a few seconds so that you can see. We have, a few meats that we have to buy, like sausage, ground beef, stuff like that. And so we do expect this to be a little higher this month because like I may have said earlier in the video, the chicken that we stocked up in January is really close to being gone, at least the boneless, skinless chicken breast. And then also we bought enough ground beef that it lasted exactly through March.
Yep.
So this is it. We have to do some restocking. So we're going to spend a little bit more this month. But other than that, it's not a crazy list, I don't think.
Yeah.
Yeah. And if you see down at the bottom where there's a little red lettering, that is some produce that we will need to buy, but we don't need it till like Wednesday or Thursday. And Joel works right in front of an Aldi, so he's just going to step in one day and pick up the rest of that.
Yeah.
So I've got it on there so we don't forget that we'll need it. But I've got it in red so that I know that we don't want to buy it yet. So, but anyway, that's the whole grocery list. We hope that you enjoyed watching us kind of meal plan most of the month of what Joel will eat.
Yeah, that's right.
Yep.
Yeah, you'll get a picture into what I will eat when I'm cooking by myself.
Yeah.
Yeah. So drop us some comments below and let us know what you like to meal plan. You have some things you'd like to suggest to us. We'd love to hear those in the comment section below. All right, well, that's going to do it today for saving money for the long run with Joel and Christy. And don't forget, it's a long run. Give yourself a little grace.
Bye. What'd I do?
What'd you do?
What'd you do?
But that's going to do it today for saving money for the long run with Joel and Christy. And don't forget, it's a long run.
You were on a roll until you went into adventures on the long run.
Yeah.